Hello guys, again welcome to another awesome video. Today we are going to be performing ambitious card trick. As everyone know, an ambitious card trick, it's one of the basic trick in cards. So let's jump right to the performance. So this trick looks something like this. Spectator may choose whichever card they may like from the completely shuffled deck. Suppose the spectator choose this card, which is 3 of clubs. I will hand over the card to the spectator and I ask him to sign the card, or you can also say the card which is close to you. So I will hand over the card to the spectator and I will ask the spectator to sign this card, which is their chosen card. It doesn't matter which card it is, but it's okay if you see it, because it's an ambitious card trick. You had to see the card. So suppose, but don't choose face card because you can't sign on it. So suppose the spectator choose this card, I will just draw a smiley on it this way. So suppose the spectator signed this card, and in the whole world there is only just one, that this card in the whole world there is just one. So I will take the spectator cards and place it right here and just lose it somewhere in the middle. See, somewhere in the middle exactly, and ask the spectator to push the card. Spectator pushes the card in and it's completely lost. But if the spectator snap its finger like this or do some magical gesture like this, the card actually jumps right to the top. See, it's actually their card, which is 3 of clubs. See, so what I am gonna do again, I am gonna take the card which is the spectator cards. Let me show you, which is actually the spectator's card. I am gonna actually take the spectator card which is 3. I am gonna show the spectator their card which is 3 of clubs. What I am gonna do, I am gonna take their take their card and put it right in the middle. So I will show the spectator that it's actually their card which is 3 of clubs. See, right there. And I am gonna take this card and lose it somewhere in the middle, and I will put this deck also in somewhere in the middle like this. And if the spectator just snap their finger, the card actually jumps to the top like this. See, let me show you again. This time what we are gonna do, we are gonna take the spectator crimp on it. See, this way. See this, I will just bend the card this way. See, I don't know if you can see. Yes, you can see it. See, I'm gonna just put a crimp on it like this. So what this do, if we put this crimp on the spectator's card this way, fold the card like this, you can identify the card now. So you can know that this is your card in the deck, because it has this weird cream on it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this cream card which is your card and lose it somewhere in the middle of the deck like this. So you can actually see it. See, it's in the middle. See, but if I just snap my finger, see, but if you just snap your finger, your cards actually jumps to the top. See, this way. So that's the ambitious card basic version. Basic means most common and basic version. So let's jump to the tutorial how to perform this trick. First you gonna need a card, whichever card you may like. Ask the spectator to sign the card. So suppose the spectator choose this card. So first what I did, I just turn over this card like this way, and while I take the spectator card, suppose this is the spectator card which is 4 of diamonds. When I take the spectator card, I will turn this card over like this with my thumb. See how I did this. I just use my thumb and with the support of these two fingers just push with your thumb, flipping the card with these two fingers like this. See, this way. It's very easy if you do it. Just flip this card while spectator are signing the card. Then when you take the card, just take the card like this without exposing this card and take a pinky break pinky break below it. See, like this. And then what you are gonna do, you are gonna actually turn both the card, and then you are gonna put the top card, which is not actually the spectator's card, down this way without spectator knowing it. And the spectator thought it's their card, but their card is actually at top. See this. So this is their card. So that's the first step. Then what you are gonna do, you are gonna switch this card by using a normal change, which looks something like this. Just push the card with your thumb and switch it with this card, which is some other card. And what does this do? This bring this card to the top position like this, and then you are again gonna perform a double lift and show the two cards to the spectator, putting the second card and put their card in the middle like this. And then you are gonna show their card. But if you show like this, they will also see the first card, which is Joker. So while you are showing, you are just gonna push this card behind like this. So now the spectator sees just their card, which is actually the second card. See, this is the position. So when you show the spectator their card, you are what gonna do, just push this card backwards, supporting with these two fingers so it doesn't get exposed this way, and you are gonna show the spectator their card. And when you are coming down like this, after you are gonna again put this card back in its position, see, this way. And then what you are gonna do, you're gonna bring the half the deck and put their card, which they think it's their card, in the middle of this way. See, but it's not their card, pushing it this way. And then you are gonna put this inside this, and then the card is again on the top. So after this, what you're gonna take a card. After this, what you are gonna do, you are again gonna perform the switch like this. And now then you are gonna again perform a double lift this way and fold these two cards. See, you are gonna put what you are gonna be doing, you are gonna be putting a crimp on both the card. See, I am gonna putting crimp on both the card this way. See, bending two cards like this. And what this explaining the spectator that some are to keep magician from cheating, we put a crimp on this card. See this way, so the spectator will know. Just don't let this card split. See, so just put a crimp on this card this way, and then pushing both the card, just leave the second card, putting pressure on the second card, which is the spectator's card, so the crimp is not exposed this way, crimp is not. And then show the crimp to the spectator. Oh, actually this is the spectator's card, which is downward. This is the spectator card, which is actually at the second position. Or just remove the first card, putting pressure and showing just the crimp to the spectator without showing the card, and putting it in the middle. Then after this, what you are gonna do, you are gonna maintain the pressure here so this card doesn't pop out like this with your thumb. And then when you are putting this in, you are gonna just little pressure with your this finger, just this way, showing that their card is actually in the middle. Then you are gonna put pressure on whole deck and hold this with your thumb, putting pressure on the top card. See, if you release, it pops out this way. So what you are gonna do, you're gonna just put the edge of thumb like this so it doesn't pop out. And when the spectator snaps their finger, you just release the pressure and see the card actually pops out this way. So that's the trick, basic ambitious card trick. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace out.